use the equipment to help our chef, not just to replace them, but to assist them, to make things quicker, faster, and more accurate.
Okay. Hi, good evening, Mr. Kenneth here. How are you today?
I am good, thanks.
Yeah, all right. Okay, here I have some of the questions to ask you first. Okay, first of the question will be, what brought you to this year's FHM Pro 25, and what are you hoping to discover here today and at this event?
Basically, I'm here to see if there's any machine we can invest into, and of course some equipment, if there's any, that we can add into our inventory.
Oh, okay. So for the second one, as you are a business owner, right?
Yeah.
And what are some of the biggest operational challenge you face in your business currently?
In F&B business, it's always the manpower, of course. This is
Agree.
one, yeah. But of course, nowadays, food safety is also a very serious issue. So yeah, so we think that through both these are the challenges.
So basically, it's the manpower and the like just now what you said
food safety,
about the food safety lah. Okay, agree. Then for the third one is about the technology and solution. Okay, so how do you think the innovation of smart kitchen technology will help you address like those challenges both now and future in your business?
Yeah, of course, nowadays with equipment like robots and all, we can actually use the equipment to help our chef, not just to replace them, but to assist them, to make things quicker, faster, and more accurate.
Okay.
And yeah, this is how the technology actually help us.
I see. Then for the last question, can you share with us what led you to partner with us? Like describe how our equipment help in your business.
Yeah, of course. If F&B, you are always a pioneer in new technologies and all. So it's a win-win situation for us, because we are always looking to help our staff to improve, to be more consistent, and of course, yeah, to level up into their cooking skills and all with new technologies.
Okay, I see. We appreciate you to take your time for share with us about your valuable insight, and thank you again, Mr. Kenneth.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.